Hi guys, this is Simon live from the tactical project of Mirabel. I just wanted to show you some of the working that has been done here in the house at Mirabel that you're going to be enjoying for our live barn. So this is one of the 4 places that we're going to be able to observe the thermal phenomenon. So you can see we build a half wall that's going to be protecting all the students from the radiation, and we're going to have our tactical officer right here that is going to be burning one of those 2 modified wardrobe that we build, and we put all the dry wall sheet on the wall, so this way they can protect from the fire to go inside the structure. So we have built those 4 places. Here on this corner of the house, there's going to be a transitional attack right here. Also another point of observing thermal phenomenon. And for this one, the students are going to be able to see through the wall. So we modified the wall here and also modified the wall right here. So this way, the students, you're going to be able to see the transitional attack by a safe point of observation. Last thing I want to show you is the scenario of flow path. So here we have this small wardrobe modified. I'm going to fill up with wood and we're going to burn it. We're going to control all of our fire with this door. And this door here is the door to the garage. So by opening it, we can feel the wind and the air that is coming here. And we're going to recreate a flow path by opening this door and by opening a window on the 2nd floor. So this way we're going to be able to observe very well the flow path. So as you can see, we have worked very hard to prepare you a very nice week of training with us, and I'm gonna see you soon, and hope you have a safe flight, and see you next weekend. All right, bye bye.